Let's talk about Australia. Not the postcard, but the wild, untamed heart. Beyond the city lights and tourist trails lies a land of raw power and ancient secrets. Here, adventure means venturing into vast deserts, dense jungles, and rugged coastlines. Australia's greatest treasures are hidden, waiting for those willing to get dusty, muddy, and bold. This isn't about ticking boxes. It's about pushing your limits and discovering what you're made of. The reward? Sights and experiences most only see in documentaries. We start by finding the empty spaces on the map, where silence is broken only by the wind or a distant bird. This is a land of extremes, scorching days, star-filled nights, and creatures that thrive against the odds. The journey is the adventure bumpy tracks, river crossings, and breathtaking views after tough climbs. Here, you strip away the noise of modern life and connect with something primal. This is the Australia I love, wild, unpredictable, and waiting for you. Lace up your boots, pack your sense of wonder, and let's get out there. The wild is calling. Are you ready to answer? Let's begin. First stop, the Outback's hidden gorges, Kimberley and Karijini. These aren't just cracks in the earth, they're ancient cathedrals carved by water and time. Imagine abseiling down cool rock faces into emerald pools, the air thick with the scent of damp earth. Here you scramble over boulders, swim through crystal water, and inch along the spider walk, testing body and mind. The payoff? Hidden waterfalls and sun-dappled pools that feel like dreams. The rock layers tell stories billions of years old, touching a time before dinosaurs. Out here, survival means respecting the land, carry everything in, watch the weather, move with purpose. Wildlife is everywhere. Rock wallabies leaping cliffs, goannas basking in the sun. At night the desert comes alive. Dingo howls, gecko chirps, and a sky ablaze with stars. You're not just a visitor, you're part of the ecosystem. Sleeping under the stars, you feel a connection to this ancient land that's impossible to find anywhere else. The Outback strips you down to your essentials: focus, respect, awe. This is the true spirit of Australia's wild heart. Ready for the next challenge? Let's move on. Now let's trade red earth for the coast's weirdest wonders. Picture cresting a dune to find a lake of bubblegum pink, like Lake Hillier colored by unique algae. Getting here is an adventure. Long drives, remote airstrips, and landscapes all to yourself. Walk salt white shores, pink water at your feet, the air thick with salt, a sensory overload. Australia's coast hides more. Squeaky beaches, pure quartz sand, horizontal waterfalls in the Kimberley. These places demand timing, curiosity, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. They spark questions. Why is that lake pink? How did these falls form? It's about more than pretty sights. It's about understanding the forces that shape them. Whether kayaking mangroves or hiking to a deserted beach, you connect with Australia's creative energy. This land never stops surprising. Let's keep exploring. Next we enter the ancient rainforest living museums like the Daintree and Tarkine. These are some of Earth's oldest ecosystems, survivors from the age of Gondwana. Under the dense canopy the world changes, humid air, giant ferns, and the electric blue flash of a Ulysses butterfly. Every plant and animal has its place in this intricate web of life. These forests are sacred, deeply tied to indigenous heritage, places of shelter, spirit, and story for tens of thousands of years. Rock art sites hidden in the forest are libraries of culture and memory. Indigenous guides share Dreamtime stories and ancient knowledge, revealing a perspective rooted in millennia. This isn't just a nature walk, it's a cultural journey. You leave with a deeper respect for the world's oldest living culture. The forest transforms your adventure into a connection with Australia's soul. Ready for the final chapter? Let's go. We've crossed crimson gorges, pink lakes, and ancient forests. This is the real Australia, raw, challenging, and unforgettable. These wild places aren't just destinations, they're rites of passage. They connect you to the land, its history, and yourself. Protecting them matters, but so does experiencing them with respect and wonder. When you go off the beaten track, you become part of Australia's story. It's about trading comfort for discovery, forging memories in the wild. The taste of mountain water, the feel of red dust, the silence of a starry night. These moments stay with you. The spirit of Australia is resilient, ancient, and wild. The map is waiting. The empty spaces are calling. Don't settle for the postcard. Seek the real, the raw, the rugged. Your greatest adventure is out there. Go and get it.